friends, welcome to Electrical Engineering Chassis channel. Today I am about to demonstrate you what is inside Crystal Aqua RO system, where this filter section is known as Alkaline filter, where it is being mentioned that must replace after every 1 year. You can look that after cutting this edge, what we are getting is cotton which is being used at the top of this one filter section bottle, and there is a sponge which is used to absorb any stuff which is dirty. Water which is coming dirty, charcoal is used to make it purify. Here you are getting small particles of charcoal, and now inside view, same thing is inside. So same thing is inside this filter bottle, and it is you can say this charcoal. So charcoal is used to filter water, but the impurities are left out in the water. With the help of charcoal you can just make it filter out. Able to understand that why it is being recommended by companies that it must be replaced after every 1 year. Thanks a lot to you, my dear friends.